Hi, my name's Sean Ryan and I'm Head of Solution Sales at Swisslog Australia. Swisslog focuses on the automation of supply chain and distribution. We focus primarily within the four walls of the warehouse and looking at ways to make current operations more efficient. The broader portfolio of pallet handling, case handling and item picking. Specifically, we service the retail e-commerce area and food and beverage consumer goods. Supply chain management is essential to any manufacturer from many aspects. I mean, the first and foremost is to make sure that the raw materials and the inputs that they're purchasing are competitive. You need to be handling them in an efficient way that minimises disruption to your business and maximises the use of them through to finished product. The greatest innovation that's been brought to warehouse automation is the concept of goods to person. In a traditional layout, the person walks to the goods, picks the goods and fulfills the order. In an automated modern solution, the goods are transported to the person and the person stands in a particular position completing the same task again and again. It's come from really a driver of what the consumer needs and is increasingly expecting. They click on their computer, their phone, they order their product and they expect same day, next day delivery. The impact of e-commerce is not only to the consumer, but it is also business to business and increasingly so, that people are looking for that same day ordering in smaller quantities more frequently. And that is driving automation as a result because it can't be done or it can't be done as efficiently with a traditional manual warehouse environment. By automating the solution, you remove the transport in the warehouse. That enables you far more flexibility to respond in a more efficient and automated way. The most important piece of advice that I would give anyone in manufacturing or business in general is that you need to be focused on solving customers' problems. And even before that, what objectives they're trying to reach in the future. As a result of KUKA Robotics investing and purchasing us several years ago, our R&D pipeline has enabled us to meet far more different parts of the requirements of our customers. The big difference with the R&D effort is that the size of it has increased significantly and it's across many facets of the solution that we provide. By far, it is the greatest contributor to the value that we bring because we are bringing innovation rather than the same thing as everybody else in the marketplace. My advice for smaller manufacturers is to become educated on what technologies are out there. From workflow automation through to actual materials handling automation, there are smaller, modular, lower throughput systems that require less investment because you cannot avoid the need to invest in technology. That's the only way to stay relevant in this day and age, is that you have that broader investment and that longer term vision of what you need to do in the future, not just the next year. We're only limited by our imagination as to what is possible.